Salam and good day. Today we will discuss about the present worth, subtopic in our engineering economic decision making. What exactly is the present worth? Present worth means that we want to know what happened to our money today. Okay, we want to know what happened to our money today. Okay, what happened in the future? Okay, we need to transfer all this data from the from the future to today. Okay, whatever money that we use per annum, we also want to transfer it today. So we use this present worth to predict, okay, our money now, today, and this method will guide us on how we can gain back our capital. Faster durations of capital gain is better and was preferred. Okay, however, this method ignore time value of money. All right, and the method function is as risk control and serve better as a capital yardstick during our decision making. If our net present value of, for example, A is better than net present value of B, then A will be selected. Okay, and again, during calculation, it is important to remember, alright, time duration of comparison must keep similar. Right? Let's see the first example of the present worth method. Production line A of XYS neighborhood was required to choose two machinery. Alright. First machinery is Toshiba. Second machinery is Matsushita. Okay. Machinery A we expect can be used for 4 years, and machinery B can be used for 10 years. Okay, let's see here, the time duration here is not the same, right? According to the sales department, product sales will be last up until 20 years. Okay, with interest rates of 18%. Okay, our margin, okay, setting by our board of director or CEO. So both machinery need a compulsory replacement after years of use. Okay, after 20 years of production. Make a decision which of both machinery is worth to buy. Okay, based on our table below, because in our table here we will see that we buy Toshiba, we require to use initial cost of purchasing of 65,000. If we buy Matsushita, we need to pay for 110. There is no annual cost, operating cost or maintenance cost for the Toshiba, but for the Matsushita there is 25,000 per annum. Okay, let's see the solution. Okay, we calculate first for our Toshiba. All right, we buy first machinery for 65,000. Okay, our first year, and then because the machine can only be used up until 4 years, so we need to buy each 4 years. Okay, each 4 years, 65, 65, 65, 65, 65. Why we stop at 20 years? Okay, because our friends from the Matsushita, alright, can be used up until 10 years. So we make it similar at 20 years of usage. Okay, and then we will see what happened. Alright, so for this machinery Toshiba here, we need to remember we want to calculate NPV or present worth. Okay, what happened to our money today? So today, this is our money, 65,000. But at year 4 here, this is uh, an F. Okay, relative to what happened today. So we call those as we want to find P when we know the F. What is the F? F is 65. Okay, 65,000. Okay, this is F. So we need to multiple this 65 here to finding P when you know the F at 80% of interest rates at 4 years. So finding P when you know the F, we need to refer to our compound interest table column. Okay, and then from this value, okay, from those column, we see that the number is this value 0.5158. Okay, let's see the third value here. Alright, for this 65,000 purchasing at year 8 here. Alright, so this will become 65,000, but this 65,000 is an F relative to our P there. So we call those as finding P when we know the F. What is the F? F is our 65 here. Okay, at 18% interest rate. Okay, at 8 years. Okay, here. It is. Alright, and then we calculate the fourth value here about 65,000 also. Okay, this will become finding P. Alright, when you know the F, what is the F there? F is 65. Alright, at year 12, of course, year 12 relative to our present value of our money today. Alright, and then after that minus the 65,000. Okay, another one here. Alright, finding P when you know the F, of course, we want to know what happened to our money at the present value. When you know the F, what is the F there? Our F here is 65,000 here. Okay, at 16 years. Alright, 16 years. So we need to transfer it here. And again, at year 20, we also to transfer it. Alright, this become our F. We want to find what happened to our finding P when you know the F, alright, at year 20. So once we got this equation, we refer to our compound interest table. We will see those value from section of column of finding P when you knew the F at year 4. Okay, and then finding P when you knew F at a column there at year 8, year 12, okay, year 16, right, and again here at year 20. And then we accumulate all this. We will see that the NPV for the present worth of this machinery Toshiba is negative 101. Remember, we need 6 times to buy this machinery. Okay, let's see the calculation for Matsushita, the rival for the machinery Toshiba. We will see that if we buy Matsushita machinery, we need to purchase at 110 here. Alright, after that, for each year, for 10 years, okay, we need to uh, use our money for the operating cost. But in our case there, because we buy 3 times machinery, okay, this is first buying, and then this is second buying, and then this is the third buying. Why third time buying? Because our machinery can be used up until 10 years. Okay, but we want to use this machinery for 20 years. So 1 time, 2 time, 3 time of purchasing, and we will operate this machinery for 20 years. Okay, 20 years. And that's why our operating cost is 25. Alright, this will become our A. So we need to convert it to become our finding P when we know the A. we convert all of this A to become our present. Okay, here we come at this finding P when we knew the A. What is our A? Our A is 25. Okay, and then after that, we convert another purchasing, all right, at year 10 to become present day value. Okay, 110 multiplied by finding P, of course, finding P when we knew the F. What is the F? F is this value. Okay, 110 here at year 10. Okay, year 10. And after that, after 20 years, we purchase another machinery here. Okay, all right. The value of this machinery is 110. Okay, multiplied by finding P when we knew the F. Okay, what is the F? Because this will become F. Okay, 110 here. Our F at year 20. Year 20. Okay. Uh, After that, once we got this equation, we can take from our compound interest table the value from uh, column finding P when you knew the A. Okay. We will got our value. Okay. 110 minus the 25 multiplied by 5.273. Okay, and then minus 110 multiplied by finding P when you knew the F. Okay, 0.1911 from our compound interest table, and then 110 multiplied by P over F. Alright, 0.0365 the value. Okay, and then we compile all of this information to become one single value. We got 266.86. Okay, 3 times buying the machine. So because of this value, we will see that the best decision is to buy the Toshiba machinery.